how to fix location on Android. So basically, if you want to fix location on Android, first it depends upon what issues with location are you having, whether it is not giving you accurate location on certain apps, or maybe it is getting disabled and you're having that issue. First of all, let's go to location settings. You can try to access location settings from your quick settings and long pressing the location quick toggle, which will take you here. In my case, I have turned off location, so first I can turn it on. Now if you have disabled location for certain apps, you'll be able to find those app permissions here, and you can see the apps with access to location. You also want to make sure to go to location services, and you can turn on Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Now if you're having issues with a certain app, so let's say I'm having issues with location in the Maps app, let's go to the Maps app. From here you can set it to allow all the time and also use a precise location, because if you're not using this precise location, it will only give you a radius or approximate location. So you have to make sure to turn on use precise location for that certain app that you're having the issues with, and you should be able to fix your location issues. And you can also turn on or turn off your location from your quick settings. So I hope this video pretty much helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.